Are you in the market for a very good, modern, up-to-date, multi-purpose vehicle? Well then, right behind me, I have the Volkswagen Multivan with a 6-seat configuration in Starlight Blue, 2022 registration with just 33,000 miles on. This car is nothing short of amazing because the way it looks, the way it drives, and just the practicality side of stuff. It is the newer model vehicle, so it's very modern, it's up-to-date. With a live pricing, again, it will be the best in the country. The car is the 2-litre TSI model. It's the Style Long DSG edition, so that's the automatic gearbox. But spec-wise, it's got everything. 17-inch diamond turned wheels, everything is colour coded. I have seen many multi-purpose vehicles where they look so boring. I've always said this, just because you want a practical car, one with a big boot with lots of space, it doesn't mean that it can't be easy on the eye. It doesn't mean it can't be comfortable and cool. This one is all that. Starting from the front, you have the IQ lighting system, which is very cool. That's the daytime running lights and the headlights. You've got this lovely see-through front grille, colour-coded bumpers, as I've mentioned, front rear parking sensors with the park assist and the reversing camera system. There's the wheels. Every part of this car has been very, very well looked after. It's got full service history and it has the extension of the extra year warranty. So this car has VW warranty till 2026. And that's amazing. Right, who needs a car this big? I don't know. But if you're watching the video and you think that it could tick all the boxes for you because your kids, your family, your business partners, maybe you're a chauffeur company, an airport run company, whatever it may be, you've got a slider this side and you've got a slider the other side. Slider means electric doors, just like this. And the reason I like that, it's easy to get in and out of. It's good for car parks because you don't need a massive swing. You can just literally open it like that. It takes that much up and you get straight in. But having sliders on both sides means that if you're in a city centre on a busy road, dropping people off, picking people up, especially kids, then on a busy road, you don't want to get out, it's unsafe. So having sliders on both sides is a massive thing. Right, before we go in there, let's go in the front first. So, you have two captain seats here. And this is raven black with sand. Sand at the top half, raven black at the bottom. Leather, Alcantara, you've got the upgraded seats with electric seats as well, so that's electric adjustment. Even adjustments here for the bottom of your legs and thighs. Armrest seats, or armchair seats, you want to call them. So all the armrests retract. I'm going to climb in. Fully fitted mats. Lots of cubbyhole spaces because if you're buying a car like this, it's because you want, like I said, all this. So you can store water bottles, little toys, books, whatever it might be. A little bit of ambient lighting. Nice classy wood finish there with more storage here, more storage over here, literally everywhere. Sunroof, panoramic glass roof. That back glass is a joke. I'm going to show you in a minute. I've never seen a panoramic glass roof so big. But over here you have twin cup holders, automatic park brake, auto hold. Auto hold is a great feature, by the way. Touchscreen media system. You've then got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats. It's all there. Digital climate control. You can open the doors from here and close the doors from here as well, which is pretty cool. Adaptive cruise control, stereo controls, flat bottom steering wheel. Again, for a mini multi-purpose vehicle, do you need flat bottom steering wheel? No, of course you don't, but it's just nice to have it. It's leather wrapped, it feels nice and grippy. Push button start, full digital driver zone, like you would get in a Mark 8 Golf. It's cool, but it's also very usable. You go that way, I go this way. And that's another thing I like about these cars. You can just walk all the way through from first row to second row, from second row to third row, literally. You pick and choose. There is so many different configurations here. So at the minute, for the purpose of this video, I've got these two seats forward facing so I can talk to the passengers, talk to my kids, depending on how I'm traveling. The Isofix seats on every single one. So Isofix, 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 which would be great in my household. These table and trays fold away. These armrests, again, if you don't want that position, you can adjust it, by the way. But you can get fully comfortable, fully. There's charging ports in the back here. There's cup holders, reading lights, air vents, third zone climate control, as you can see there, so I can control the temperature from here and the fan system. I don't need to disturb the drivers. This thing folds away completely, and then you can literally push it down, and it also slides, which I don't know how to do at the minute. There, I do. It does this. These seats also slides forwards and backwards. with them being individual seats, they can come out completely. Another good thing is, if I show you the back of the seats, you've got cup holders there, so you can literally do what you want. There's then trays with, again, cup holder. Yeah, you have to agree. It's fantastic. But what else are you getting? You're getting 204 brake horsepower. So when this vehicle's packed out with passengers with luggage in the back, no problem, it'll go. The DSG gearbox is one of the best gearboxes on the market. It looks cool, it's under warranty, it's got nice mileage. It'll carry you and your friends with you, no problem. If it's just you and your partner, you can take all the seats out and use it as a bedroom. I don't know, the opportunity of having something like this and being able to use it, maximise it, is endless, and I mean it. Which gets slightly better. So, that's the sliders, that's the seat, that's the condition. If I was buying this car and I was coming to collect it in a few days' time, it's not brand new, it's done 33,000 miles, but I would be absolutely over the moon. It doesn't smell of cigarettes, there's no dog hairs, there's no dents, there's no scratches. Expect a couple of stone chips, expect a level of wear. It's not a new car, I'm not advertising it as a new car. We absolutely don't overpromise and underdeliver, we do quite the opposite. Okay, so from on the back you have the top level spoiler, high level braking system, the 3-dimensional LED lighting system, and then you have automatic tailgate, which is very cool. You've also got foot release tailgate on this as well, so if you walk up to the car, or van in this case, and your bag's in your hands and you're full, you can give it one of them and it'll open up, which is cool. That to pull it down if you need to. Remember, this can come out all together. Also remember, it slides forwards and backwards. But to have 6 seats in the vehicle and to be able to stack up 1, 2, 3, you can get suitcases in here, no problem, lots of it. Or it might just be fishing gear, it might be golf gear. Like I said, there's so many reasons why you would buy something like this. But let's say you buy it for your business and you've got passengers in there. It's so many times when you get 6 people in the car, you've got this much space for luggage, enough for one very small handbag. This one, you haven't got that issue. This is how the car comes, as you see. There isn't a middle parcel shelf, just to let you know, that's how it comes. I think that's sometimes just something you have to order separately. There's a slide down. I'm going to quickly close the door so you can see the condition. If you go one way, that way, or that way, you'll see, because it's got the sliders, you're not opening it up, no one's catching it, there is no dents. It's in a very, very good condition. Over here again, electric windows and mirrors, or electric folding mirrors. Your sport pedals down below. Put it into reverse, your reversing camera comes on. And then you also got the heated steering wheel, which is just here. Is this cool or not? You decide. For someone that needs this sort of space, to them it's the best thing since sliced bread. Even the lighting system on here for the entry. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. I do not get these type of cars. So I say this quite often. If you ever see a car on Acklam's website and you think, you know what, I want it, I'll call him Monday, the chances are this car isn't going to hang about that long. So if you like it, give me a call, let's get organised, leave a deposit and come and collect it. Thank you. Bye-bye now.